There are still a lot of cars on the road even though manual transmissions aren't as common these days. If your car has a manual gearbox, you want to make sure it performs at its peak for many more miles of fun. When shifting a manual transmission is difficult, what should you do? While some of the causes can be easily fixed, others may need to be replaced. To help you get back on the road more quickly, we look at the top 6 reasons why shifting a manual transmission can be challenging. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Malfunctioning hydraulic system. Since the hydraulic clutch system is the most likely source of problems with this issue, you should check it out first when your transmission is difficult to shift. A master cylinder and a slave cylinder are part of the clutch system. A hydraulic clutch system uses the master cylinder as the pump. Nevertheless, this hydraulic part is also prone to issues. It may occasionally leak or malfunction, interfering with the fluid's displacement. All you have left is a pedal that acts strangely, and a transmission that is difficult to shift. Cars with manual transmissions typically have one slave cylinder mounted on the transmission and one master cylinder situated close to the clutch pedal. Air bubbles in the hydraulic system from a leaking master or slave cylinder can make shifting the transmission difficult. If shifting becomes easier after trying to bleed the clutch system, there's a good chance that a malfunctioning slave or master cylinder is the root of the problem. Hydraulic line leaks may also be the cause. Damaged gears. There is only one more area to check for the problem, and that is inside the gearbox. If the clutch and hydraulic system are operating normally, this is a skill-intensive task that should only be performed by professionals. There are multiple gears in the manual transmission system. While some have a 5th or 6th gear, others can have 4 gears and reverse. There is also a hub gear between the 1st and 2nd or 3rd and 4th. Shifting between these gears will be difficult if any of them are damaged. Worn hub sleeve. The sleeve of the hub gear is in charge of engaging between the main gears. Depending on which way the gear has shifted, it moves to the right or left. It is also referred to as the Synchronizer hub. This sleeve maintains the hub gear's teeth, in line with the ring's teeth. Synchronization breaks when the hub sleeve is worn out or damaged. You experience difficulty shifting and a lack of fluid movement as a result. Damaged clutch system. The clutch may not release power between the engine and transmission if the clutch pressure plate is worn out or damaged. This will make shifting the transmission extremely difficult. You run a serious risk of your clutch pressure plate being worn out or damaged if you experience any wobbling or odd sensations in the clutch pedal while driving. A malfunctioning clutch disc, release fork, or release bearing can also be the cause. It's crucial to thoroughly inspect every component if you believe the clutch is the source of the problem. Most car models require you to remove the transmission in order to properly inspect the clutch parts, so you must first ensure that the hydraulic components are in good condition. Low or wrong type of gear oil. You flush or replace the transmission fluid on a regular basis when you adhere to your car's recommended service schedule. The gears cannot receive the right amount of lubrication if the fluid ages or leaks. Even worse is letting the transmission get damaged by operating it without the proper quantity of clean gear oil. Shifting becomes more challenging without this lubricant. You may also begin to hear odd noises as the condition worsens, which could be a sign of serious issues. An incorrect kind of gear oil in the transmission may also be the cause. You need the proper viscosity and gear oil specifications for seamless shifting. Faulty synchronizer ring. Furthermore, the hub sleeve can easily engage with the synchronizer ring due to its small teeth. The transmission must function properly to enter the main gear. The synchronizer ring cannot engage with the hub sleeve correctly if it sustains damage. That is the reason for observable shifting problems. How to fix it. If shifting in your transmission is difficult, you should check the gear oil first. Verify that the level is accurate and that it isn't burned or extremely old. The hydraulic clutch system should be examined next. Try to bleed the system once or twice and look for any leaks near the clutch cylinders. If the problem goes away, the hydraulic system probably has a leak that needs to be fixed. In order to inspect the clutch system for any damage to the clutch components, such as the pressure plate, clutch disc, release fork, or release bearing, You must remove the transmission if the hydraulic system is functioning properly. You must look for problems with the components inside the transmission if you are unable to identify any with the clutch system. This is frequently a challenging task, and if you don't know a lot about gearboxes, you should definitely avoid doing it. Hope the information is helpful for you. If so, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel.